In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Excel in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever received a PDF filled with tables and needed that data in a spreadsheet, this workflow will save you time. We'll be using Adobe Acrobat Pro, which includes the export tools you need for Excel. Go ahead and open Acrobat on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac OS, and you don't need anything more than Acrobat Pro and a copy of Excel installed to review the results. With Acrobat open, bring your PDF into the app. You can drag and drop the file onto the Acrobat window or go to File, Open, and browse to it. Once the PDF is open, give it a quick look so you know which pages and tables you're expecting to see in Excel later. Next, head to the Global Toolbar and click All Tools. From the Tools list, choose Convert. If your interface looks a bit different, perhaps you're using an older layout, look for Export a PDF instead. Both options take you to the same export features. In the conversion panel, set the export format to Microsoft Excel. This tells Acrobat you want a spreadsheet-ready file rather than Word or another format. You'll then see format choices. Select Workbook, XLSX. XLSX is the modern Excel format that preserves structure more reliably and opens cleanly in current versions of Excel. Before you run the export, you may see options related to table detection or text recognition. If your PDF is a scanned document or an image-based file, make sure text recognition is enabled so Acrobat can convert characters into editable text. Keeping table recognition on helps maintain columns and headings during export. Now click Convert to XLSX. Acrobat will process the pages, detect tables, and build a spreadsheet. The time this takes depends on the size and complexity of your PDF. You'll then be prompted to save your new Excel file. Choose a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and click Save. Acrobat will perform the conversion, and in most cases open the result directly in Excel for you. Once it opens in Excel, take a moment to review the layout. Check that columns align, headers appear correctly, and numeric values are recognized as numbers rather than text. If something looks off, like merge cells you don't want, you can adjust it in Excel or return to Acrobat and try exporting again with different recognition options. That's it. You launched Acrobat, opened your PDF, chose Convert, set Microsoft Excel with the workbook, applied XLSX format, clicked Convert to XLSX, and saved the file. You're ready to work with your data in Excel.